नमस्ते बिटियो, खुश रहिए बिटियो। I JVN Dr. Pravinder Singh, Professor and HOD, Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, welcomes you all in the digital version 2.0. Today's topic is Scope of Homeopathic Pharmacy in relation to Materia Medica. It means how can we improve our knowledge of materia medica to study about the pharmacy. The study of pharmacy improves our knowledge of materia medica and helps us to be a good prescriber, and we get knowledge of following topics. Pharmacy provide knowledge about sources of drugs, mode of collection of drug substances, preparation of medicine and scales. The pharmacy provides us the knowledge of sources of drugs, mode of collection of drug substances, preparation of medicine and scales, knowledge of vehicles, potentization, prescription writing and dispensing, posology, external application, drug proving, and standardization. Sources of drugs. Drugs prepared from the vegetable kingdom are mostly short acting in nature and useful in acute diseases. Drugs prepared from nosodes, minerals, and many drugs from animal kingdoms are deep acting in nature, and in chronic diseases it works well. Drugs belonging to the same family must of necessity have a similar action. For example, in vegetable kingdom, arum, trif, and caladium belongs to the same family, Araceae, but are inimical to each other. Nux vomica and ignatia are belongs to same family, Ologanaceae, but are inimical to each other. Belladonna and Dulcamara belongs to same family Solanaceae, but are inimical to each other. Staphylos agria and Ranunculus bulbulus belongs to same family Ranunculaceae, but are inimical to each other. Aloes socotrina, Allium stivus, and Allium cepa belongs to same family Liliaceae, but do not follow to each other. In animal kingdom, all snake remedies are from same family Ophiotoxin, possess some of the similarity and many of their action, but do not follow each other's well. For example, Lachesis, Crotalus horridus, Neza T, Vipera, Elapscor, and Sancharis. In mineral kingdom, the halogens chlorine, iodine, bromine, and fluorine have many similitudes because of belongs to one family. Some medicine like nosodes are very much harmful in low potencies, but they are act well in high potencies. If treatment started with a medicine belongs to vegetable kingdom and later on use medicine of mineral kingdom, then better results are obtained. Mode of collection of drug substances. Drug substances do not possess equal amount of medicinal property throughout the year. During the particular time of season, their medicinal properties are highest. So effect of medicines are varies if the drug substances collected in different times of year. For example, rustox plants are collected in rainy damp season because that time plants possess more medicinal properties. The preservation of drug substance is more important in the preparation of drugs. The method of preservation of plant substances and animal substances are different. Animal substances should be used immediately. The preservation of drug substance is more important in the preparation of drug. The method of preservation of plant substances and animal substances are different. Animal substances should be used immediately after collection. The proper study of pharmacy gives above information regarding collection and preservation of drug substances, which supplements the knowledge of materia medica. Preparation of medicine and scales. In Aphorism 264, Hahnemann advised that true physician must be provided with genuine medicine of unimpaired strength, and he must know the therapeutic power of the medicine. So, to be a true practitioner, a physician must have to know the exact mode of preparation of medicine and about scales used in homeopathy. Medicines are prepared from crude drug substances under certain definite scale like decimal, centesimal, and 50 millisimal, and definite fixed pharmaceutical formulas and procedures. The mother preparation and potentized medicine should be properly preserved according to the pharmaceutical directions. Otherwise, they will lose their efficacy on storing. Pharmacy provides all these information. Knowledge of vehicles. Knowledge of vehicles help us to know the method of dispensing in a better way. Impurity tests help us to the time of purchase. Potentization. A patient may be sick at three planes: mental, physical, and general. A medicine selected on the simillimum cannot cure always unless proper potency not selected. Here the knowledge of materia medica will not be on of no value for the physician if he has no knowledge of potency of the medicine and different scales of potentization. Prescription writing and dispensing. A physician must have the knowledge about ideal prescription and ideas of norms and forms of prescription. He must know about the dispensing of medicine. All medicine cannot dispense in every vehicle. The doses of trituration cannot be prepared in purified water. The doses of trituration cannot be dispensed in globules. Posology. Highest ideal of cure not only depends upon the proper selection of remedy but also on the proper dose of medicine. A homeopathic physician must know about the dose of selected medicine. Very large dose may cause violent aggravation. Proper selection of potency is very necessary. Without that well selected remedy never brings on ideal cure. External application. Hahnemann said in Organon of Medicine that external application is nothing but the outward reflection of the internal derangement of the spiritual like dynamic vital force, which, when disturbed, express itself on the surface as signs. So the physician must know about the concept of organon of medicine, about external application and medicine use of external application. So we get this knowledge from study of pharmacy. Drug proving. It is the systemic and orderly way of investigation of pathogenic power of a drug on healthy human being. Efficacy of homeopathic medicine can only be proclaimed if the latent curative power of drug is well understood. Different observation obtained from drug proving on healthy human beings increase the knowledge of materia medica, knowledge of standardization. It helps us to know the purity and authenticity of the drug substance and final products. Before preparation of drugs, the drug substances are evaluated to a particular standard to know their genuineness given in pharmacopoeia. After the collection of drugs from plants and animals, they should be accurately identified by compare a respective sample of the drug with the authentic sample of the same drug. Conclusion. So the proper study of the homeopathic pharmacy provides the sound knowledge of materia medica, which develops our clinical skills and help us to be a good prescriber. Thank you. Namaste बिटियो, खुश रहिए बिटियो. Our next topic will be on the scope of homeopathic pharmacy in relation to organon of medicine.